And then, plug the power supply into a socket and then connect it to your Raspberry Pi's USB power port. And then you should see a red light on your Raspberry Pi and raspberries on the monitor. Your Raspberry Pi then boots up into this graphical desktop, which is seen here. And then lastly, finish the setup. When you start on your Raspberry Pi for the first time, the Welcome to the Raspberry Pi application will pop up and guide you through the initial setup, which is seen here. So click Next to start the setup, select your country, language, and time zone, and then click Next again. Enter a new password for your Raspberry Pi and click Next. Now connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting its name, entering the password and clicking Next. Now an important note again is that if your Raspberry Pi model doesn't have the wireless connectivity, you won't see the screen.